Turn the system off with the on and off button. Find your fan and timer buttons. Press and hold fan, continue to hold the fan button whilst holding down the timer button and release both together. Press the on and off button to scroll through the menu until you see a number, a dash and another number. The first number is the number of zones programmed into your control. Here we can see this is not the correct number of zones, so press the number button for the number of zones you should have. Press the on and off button until the set temperature screen is displayed. You should now be able to turn the zone on or off as normal.